Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to create a Facebook Lite account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Facebook application. Here, as you can see, after opening your Facebook Lite application, here you'll be able to see your existing profiles, and right below that you'll be able to see login into another account, find your account, or create new account. Here we'll be tapping on create new account. If you already have an existing account, you can also tap on the existing account and log in into Facebook Lite application. For now, we'll be clicking on the create new account option. Tap on next. Here you'll have to type your first name and your surname. After you have typed your first name, tap on next. After that, here you'll have to type your phone number. You can also sign up with your email address. Here I will be using my phone number. After that, tap on next. Here you'll have to enter your birthday. After you have entered your birthday, tap on next. Here you'll have to choose your gender. And now you'll have to set a password that you can remember easily and is secure enough. Then tap on next. Here you'll have to tap on sign up. After that, here you'll be asked if you want to save your login information. You can choose not now or okay. I will be choosing not now. After that, here you can add your email. You'll be shown all the email address that you have here. You can also choose don't add email address that is located on the below. I'll be choosing the don't add email address option. You can choose to add your email. After that, here you'll be asked whether you want to confirm your mobile number via WhatsApp or SMS. I will be confirming via WhatsApp, so I will be tapping on the send code option. After that, here you'll be sent a 5-digit code on your chosen application. Copy the 5-digit code and paste it here. And after that, here you'll have to confirm. If by any chance you don't get the code, here you can choose the option send code again. Change phone number, confirm via SMS, confirm via email. You'll receive the code within 3 minutes, and if you don't receive the code within 3 minutes, you can choose from the 4 option. Here I will be tapping on confirm. After that, here you can upload a profile picture. For now, I will be skipping this part. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully created Facebook Lite account. Now that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create Facebook Lite account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.